Greetings. It is November 9th, 2023. I'm going to read a letter I received from Jacob Lawrence, the late great American artist, African-American, dated September 30th, 1986, handwritten. He taught at the UW for many years, the University of Washington School of Art. I first saw his work in a gallery exhibit in Manhattan around West 57th Street near MoMA, Museum of Modern Art, around 1971 or 72. I was very impressed with his work. I regret we never met in person, but we did speak on the phone once in May 1985. Dear Mr. Segan, in reply to your very interesting and informative letter of August 30th, 1986, please pardon the delay in acknowledgement. I enjoyed reading the piece, quote, A Jewish Printmaker at Work, end of quote, by Susan Auerbach. I felt that the article was written with sensitivity and knowledge of an artist who is deeply involved in the creative process. I am highly pleased and greatly complimented by your reaction to my work. It is always most rewarding to learn and to know that one's work is appreciated and well received by others. Perhaps someday, when I am not traveling and have less commitments and obligations, we can arrange a meeting. In the meantime, I wish you the very best and continued success with your work. Sincerely, Jacob Lawrence. There you have it. I regret we never met in person. We did speak on the phone, if I didn't mention that already, in May 1985 when I had an exhibit up at the Equivalence Gallery in South Jackson Street in Pioneer Square. And he was different background, different generation, born 1917, the same year as my dad. We were both New Yorkers. We had some commonality of experiences, as it were, as well as art interests, especially with social justice art making. And I think he would be very pleased with my work over the years. This is a New York Times article I had saved 3 years ago. August 28, 2020, by Michael Kimmelman. Photograph of Lawrence by Sarah Krulwich for the Krulwich for the New York Times. All right, there you have it. Jacob Lawrence of blessed memory, and posthumously thank him for his letter. I did receive one other card from him, which is astray somewhere in a tub of correspondence to be sorted through.